Freedom of due process. Key court cases. Comido versus Illinois, 1964. Danny Comido requested the assistance of a lawyer after he was arrested for the murder of his brother. The police would not grant the request even though there was a lawyer at the police station. Comido made a number of incriminating statements without his lawyer present, which were later used against him at the trial. The Supreme Court ruled Comido's due process rights of self-incrimination and right to counsel were violated, and he was released from prison. Gideon V Wainwright, 1964. This landmark case established that the accused has the right to an attorney even if he or she cannot afford one. Gideon, accused of a felony in Florida, requested the assistance of a lawyer. The Florida criminal justice system allowed free assistance only in cases that were punishable by death. Gideon defended himself and lost. The Supreme Court ruled that his Sixth Amendment due process rights made applicable by the 14th Amendment were denied. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. In probably one of the most publicized cases of its kind, Ernesto Miranda, mentally retarded, was accused and convicted of rape and kidnapping. He confessed to the crime under intense interrogation without any mention by the police of his right to obtain a lawyer or what consequences the answers to their questions would have on the outcome of the trial. The Supreme Court, in its landmark ruling, established the Miranda Rights. Those rights directed the police to inform the accused upon arrest that he has a constitutional right to remain silent, that anything said can be used in court, and that he has a right to consult with a lawyer at any time during the process, and that a lawyer will be provided if the accused cannot afford one. The accused must be asked if he understands these rights and told that he has the right to remain silent and at any time request a lawyer. Since the Miranda rulings, the courts have begun to limit some of the rights established by these cases. New York versus Quarles, 1984. The court created a public safety exception to the Miranda warnings, allowing the police to arrest an accused criminal without reciting the Miranda rights where public safety was threatened. Dickerson versus United States, 2000. The court upheld Miranda and struck down a 1968 congressional act that permitted local law enforcement officials to accept voluntary confessions made before the accused was read his Miranda rights.